Hello there people, it is definitely a long time no see. Sorry about the delay if anybody give a shit, but you know what I'm saying, I haven't been on here for a long time, had a few stresses, you know, normal life stuff, so I just thought, being so it's a sunny day, you know, finished all my chores, you know, being as I am off work though, because of Corona, you know, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it, but I just thought I'd bring you a video of what I've been up to while I've been off. So yeah, this is my Hyper. So I've been making servo mounts, that top plate, you know, and the legs as well. Obviously this one's got carbon everywhere, so yeah, done the carbon on the front of the Hyper, steering, whatever you call it, rack. Top bit on there obviously converted to electric. I think it's a 23 kV, but that's a 1/8 scale motor. But yeah, she's sweet. But yeah, rear towers are carbon. Just about to catch that. Front towers carbon. I made all them. They're sweet. Yeah, boy. So that's what I've been up to, making stuff out of carbon. So yeah, she looks sweet, but also just been doing or making the servo mounts. That's part of it, what I do, get the shape there, and then that's my pattern, I suppose. And then this is what I made anyway, but you got that, but I didn't make the red legs, so just off another one. But yeah, I'm quite at a bit of carbon there. Everybody love a bit of carbon. And I just put a little bit out there on the inside, because normally that's a twat to get your wires in. But yeah, sweet. Look beautiful. I'm also doing some of them. The top plates, that's just the Armour, Kraton, Typhon, whatever you call it. A couple of racks there. I got some, I don't know if you'll see it there, the them little bits. You just about to see it traced onto there. I do put that onto there and then cut it out with my rotary, even though that's tiny and you're going to cut your fingers off, but I'm pretty safe, sweet as. So yeah, also mini lathe, she's pretty sweet. That's Paul's, you know, my mate Clarky, he lent it to me, so I just thought I'd show you how I've been doing the legs. I did have some thin aluminium just like that, so that's pretty sweet really. That was the right size for the legs, but I've got a little bit of 10mm in stock, but I just thought I'd show you how easy it is just to spin her down. She's 10mm, I took a little bit off it, but that's getting down to about, I don't know, let's have a look. Yeah boy, this is a set of calipers, we know how to use them, almost. Right, so she's about 820 at the moment, so yeah, got a bit more to go, but I just thought I'd show you how easy it is to take it off. Let's switch this bad man switch on. Look at that, look, from the 1900s, mate. She still work though, bruv, so sorry for the noise, wait for the action. Smooth as, look at that. One-handed, mate. That's what she said. Yeah, boy. Everything else is set. I don't have to touch that. I'm just wiggling this on there. That. Power down, big boy. Look at that. She is, I'm talking, she is smooth, bruv, mate. I am talking, this is, I made a live centre. Not that that'll fucking focus. So yeah, yeah, made a live centre. I had 2 little bits of shim. They were round, obviously, and then a little bit fitted inside it perfectly, and I put a point on it, obviously centre drilled it. Beautiful. Look at that baby chuck. I'll show you how baby it is, because there's my finger. Oh, I've got small fingers. That's sweet. This is what it is. If anybody's interested, if you're doing anything like that, aluminium, you know, it's sweet. That's pretty good. That's, you know, it's got your bit there, your bit there, your bit there, your bit there, your bit there. And obviously that's like, you know, there. That's that big, if you can imagine. So pretty small. But all for your aluminium bits and bobs and stuff like that. I suppose, well, you can mill on it. There is a little milling adaptation for it, and you stick, you take this off, and you turn it sideways like that, so it's mounted up. And then I don't know how else that worked, but yeah, that's classed as a vice. And then you mill from the top. But yeah, as I say, mate Clark is each lent to me, do some bits. I've done him a servo, that's sweet. Obviously you can see that one from there. Wow, wow. But yeah, just been doing that and made some spares. That one there, that one there. Made just 3 of everything at the moment. Well, 2 of everything, and then just going to get the other parts sorted. But yes, sweet as. Really not been up to much. Lizzie's outside in the sun because, oh, and also I've got the old Creighton lamp, Typhon, tools, chassis rack, more tools. Yeah boy, yeah boy. Lizzie's outside, should we go and have a look? Yeah boy, Lizzie love it in the sun, look. Alicia, my daughter, did stand on him accidentally the other day, so he's not best pleased. But he do love it out in the sun. Look at you, Lizzie. Wada wada wada. Yeah boy. You're on YouTube, mate. Sweet. Anyway, that is a long video for me. 7 minutes 33. Right, people. Well, I hope you're I hope you are all well, even though I'm going around twist because I can't talk. I hope you're all well and keeping safe. You know, I call it the 2 metre rule. Keep away from everybody, 2 metres. I normally wear a mask if I'm out and about personally, but nobody seemed to be giving a shit, so. But yeah, definitely not up for the COVID, definitely up for going back to work, because you know, keep yourself busy and all, even though I keep myself busy in my shed now, like, you know, I've got a couple of BB guns. Yeah boy. Crossbow, made the crossbow. She fire, she good. Anyway, right, this has gone long enough, and hope you keep them safe. 2 metre rule. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Yeah, happy flipping COVID-19 when that's over. So perhaps speak to you people later. Might have a running video at some point, but not really felt like going out. Just personal reasons, you know, normal stuff. But yeah, hope you're all well. Speak to you guys later. Subscribe, like, smash any button you like. Speak to you people laters.